how to refund a payment on Stripe. So if you want to refund a payment on Stripe, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Stripe. You need to first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then log into your Stripe. And once you've logged into your Stripe, you need to go with your dashboard at first. Your dashboard will look like this. And then you need to go with the payment section, which will be here on the left side under your products, or go with settings, which will be in the top right. And here under your product settings, you will have payments. Click on payments. As you can see here, you can go to the amount row, and then in the top right, you can find 3 dots. You need to click on the 3 dots, and then you can click on refund payment. After that, this section will pop up. As you can see that it takes about 5 to 10 days to happen. You just need to fill the forms like the refund amount, the reason, and then the description. After that, you can click on refund and your request will be in process. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.